Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today we're doing a trailer for tomorrow's episode. Tomorrow will be Christmas Day, and we're going to share with you 5 tips and 3 bonus tricks to do with your new compressor installation. Going to start right off. 1, make sure you have oil in your compressor. 2, take the pallet off the tank. Use vibration pads. Pick a good location. Compressor room, not a closet or loft. Have some lighting. Ventilate the compressor from the heat. 3, anchor it to the floor, especially the verticals. They're top heavy. 4, use a flex hose from the valve on the tank to your system. And 5, put a 110 receptacle next to the compressor, use a knife switch, and know what your amperage requirements are for your motor and use the appropriate size breaker. For all the logic, stories, tips, and tricks, tune in tomorrow for 5 tips and tricks to install your compressor. God bless. Have a great day.